Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's a big day. We are pouring foam into the hull of the boat with our 2-pound density polyurethane pour foam. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. We went with the 2-pound because it floats better and it's lighter. 4 and 8-pound is more for structural things like the stringers. If you're going to do foam stringers, we obviously went with Kusa, much stronger. Couple changes we made. The rigging tubes are now more in towards the gas tank, so we'll have more space to walk around in, so that's a big change for that. Fiberglass more of the inside up here, and yeah, we're gonna show you how to pour foam into the hull of the boat, so stay tuned. Really nothing like a good IPA while building a boat. I promise you, you should try it. It's great. So with that being said, let's get ready to pour some foam into the boat. I'm so excited. This is such a big step because you know what's after this? Floors. And we got the 1/2-inch Kusa boards in the back over there, and that'll be for the next video, so stay tuned. It's gonna be good. Big things coming for this 17-foot Mako rebuild. Super excited. Things are finally moving on it. All right, so I forgot to mention, only going to be doing this part, the gas tank, this part, this part, this part, and that part with the foam, and then the floors for now. It'll be sealed off, no water will be able to get to it. I'll leave the back part open, so when I start building the live well in the center console, I know or where to run the piping and stuff for the live well and the pumps and all that other good stuff. So yeah, we're only basically going to be doing from the gas tank forward, sealing it off so no water can get into it, and it'll be good to go, be able to stay out. So let's get to pouring our pump foam. All right, we're gonna use the big bucket this time. So we're gonna do 32 ounces and then another 32 ounces of part A and part B of this pour foam. 2-pound density closed cell. Closed cell just means it has little microscopic, or I wouldn't even say microscopic, but has like closed cells, like little closed bubbles. Prevents it from taking in water, but also keeps it floating. That makes sense. All right, 32 ounces of part A, 32 ounces of part B. It's a pretty big batch. Let's go do this. All inside there. I did a little test pour real quick to see how the reactants line up, so I think we're going to fill these 2 front boxes. Alright, take one off the ground, show you guys. Alright, got some of the uniform color going. We're going to take it here. Got the foam. See, I already got the foam going a little bit in these 2 boxes, but this is going to really jump start it. Put it on there. Put a little more in there. All right. Now we'll just watch it expand. All right, so it kind of ran into a little bit of an issue. So 2 gallons of the 2-pound pour foam got me this far. And I got some underneath the tank as well, but yeah, I gotta run back over to FGCI and grab another 2 gallons of the pour foam so I can finish these sections off that I want to get done with the Kusa. So yeah, just the heads up, you might want to get more than just 2 gallons. You might want to get 4 to 6. All right, so after multiple trips to FGCI to get the pour foam, had to get 4 extra gallons to finish the hatches that I need done. So yeah, got the pour foam all poured in, it's dried up, cured. Now we're about to take our cutting tools and get it all cut down, sanded, leveled, and move on to putting the floors in. But yeah, had to get an extra 4 more of these things, so didn't do the math right on that. It's almost like cutting cake. Just cutting layers off the cake. Well, just... Get that, like I said, cut. Then we'll sand it and get everything nice and flush. So, hard stuff, man. Alright, now that I got all the high stuff pretty much cut down, I am getting this leveled piece of 2x4, sticking sandpaper on it, and I'm going to use it to sand it all down flush and check it with our level. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. We got the foam in the hull, at least half of the hull. Got it cut down, sanded, leveled. So come tomorrow, we're going to lay down some Kusa board and get the deck sealed in. That'll be for another video. This video is just on how to pour the foam into the hull. So as you can see, got it pretty much done. That was 6 gallons of 2-pound density foam, and I got all these filled up. So like and subscribe and stay tuned to the next video when we put the floors in. Peace.